Hello and welcome to the PMI Schedule Module video tutorial series. It's a compilation of tutorials covering everything from navigation to creating a rotating schedule. This is available to all properties that do not have an integrated timekeeping system in place. In this video, we will learn how to create a rotating schedule. And you can do so by going into Tools and choosing Create Rotating Schedule. So creating a rotating schedule is basically copying a schedule into the future. So it can be anything from adding up to 7 days to 6 weeks to 3 months. You decide. So now that the schedule has been made up for the next week or so, we still have several weeks to add. The shifts are going to be the same for the next period as this team has a rotating schedule. So also note here that if you have shifts that does not have a corresponding team member assigned, you are able to put this as employee no name, and as soon as you have assigned these shifts, you are able to do so in here. Let's get started on copying a schedule. So you have the option of choosing the source, and that would be the existing schedule, and of course where you want to copy to. So how many copies do you want to make? For example, if you had a 1 week period and you want to copy it for an entire year, then it would be 52 copies. If you had a monthly period, then it would be 12 copies. Try not to copy too far into the future and use this function sparingly. As you can see here, the default is 1 week. Always copy a full week, never 3 days or 10 days, a full 7-day calendar week, or 2 or 3. So let's pretend for a moment that we have added in all shift codes, including the 14th of January. That would give us 2 full weeks. And that means that we would have to start copying as of the 15th of January, not the 16th, because then you would be missing a day. So the 15th. Always double check that the date is correct. And because the schedule at this property is 6 weeks, we will copy it 3 times, which means it is valid for a 6-week period. And in case you need to erase and reset future months, you activate it over here. Do you want to select all or just a specific person? In our case, let's select all the staff. So now there are shift codes copied in for all the staff for the next 6 weeks. An effortless way to copy a set schedule into the future, and it saves automatically when you click on Create Rotating Schedule. And now you can see populated here 6 weeks of shift codes into the future. More information can be found in our knowledge base articles and video tutorial series. Thank you and take care.